Summer is almost over and the September issue of Aesthetic Surgery Journal is available. But before we discuss the September issue, I wanted to bring to your attention Aesthetic Surgery Journal Open Forum, our online open access journal, which has been available since early this year, is now full of excellent peer-reviewed practical information to assist you in your practice. From the facial surgery section, I have picked the paper by Dr. Andrew Giacono from New York, a meta-analysis of the SMAS type of facelift procedures, looking at the complication rates and concluding that we each pick a technique that in our hands provides the best result, rather than looking at the possible complications of that particular technique. We all know that the Macrofat embolism associated with gluteal fat grafting has been uniformly fatal. In this case report from Mexico, the authors describe the treatment and full recovery of a patient who had such an incident. The discussion by Dr. Robert Singer emphasizes the difference between microfat embolism and macrofat embolism so that we can all be clear as to exactly what was salvaged and how this particular patient was able to survive the fat embolism. Augmented reality, virtual reality, or even AI, do they mean the same thing? What do they represent? What do they really mean? And what is their role in aesthetic plastic surgery? In this article from California, the authors clarify the differences and go into the current role of these technologies within our specialty, and there's an excellent commentary by Dr. Darren Smith. What are the preferences in terms of social media for those patients interested in aesthetic plastic surgery? In this article, the authors looked at the different platforms and came to the conclusion that the favorite was Facebook. Don't miss the discussion by Dr. Dan Gould. I encourage you to read the September issue from cover to cover, and for those of you who will be attending the ASPS Plastic Surgery, the meeting in later on in September, please come by the ASJ booth and say hello to us. Talk to you in October.